हेलो गाइस, मैं हूं सजाद अली और मैं आ रहा हूं आपके शहर कसूर में 9 मई को मार्का हक मिलकर सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। बी देयर।
दिल गलती कर बैठा है, गलती कर बैठा है दिल गलती कर बैठा, तू बोल कफारा क्या होगा। Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me, Seher Gul Khan, and I have something special to tell you all. District Administration Kasoor presents Marka Haq Hum Hain Bunyanun Marsoos, which is happening on this 9th March 2026, and the venue is Shehbaz Sharif Sports Complex, Kasoor. So this year, I am coming to perform and to celebrate Marka Haq with all of you. Don't miss it out. See you there.
Hi everybody, this is Shegil. I'll be performing tomorrow at the Shehbaz Sharif Stadium, Kasoor at 7 p.m. for the Jashn-e Marka Haq. I'm excited to see you all, so you all better be there. Take care, we're going to have so much fun. See you soon.